from whatever you're watching from. My name is Leahwamu, and today I'm in this amazing road that costed the government 17 billion shillings, and I'm just here to show you the progress, how the road is, how amazing it has become. Like, it's so epic. You can see behind me, it's so green. It looks like the expressway. I just give a short tour so that you get to see, because the project is 100% done, and I can see by the roadside there are so many constructions going on. So I'll just walk around and show you around. But just a brief history of the Western Bypass. It is a planned road by the government of Kenya, and it's supposed to connect Kikuyu town to Ruaka town in Kiambu County. The road travels generally in the northeasterly direction through Wangige, Kihara, Denderu, Rumenyi, and ends at Ruaka, a distance of about 16.5 kilometers. CRBC, Constructor China Road and Bridge Corporation, are doing their final touches, and I could notice tractors by the roadside, which means construction is still going on. It's 90-something%, not 100% complete, and the vehicle are also passing as normal. This road is supposed to be one of the mega states project according to the President Delivery Unit. The Western Bypass was the only missing link in the roads around Nairobi, and it's expected to improve access to markets, business, and as a result, I could see some hardware shops, and by the highway side, this means that there will be definitely real estate development in this area, and it also means people will be paying higher according to what they are paying right now. Their rent will be a bit higher. That is according to how I'm seeing. Western Bypass was initially designed as a 4-lane dual carriageway with 7 interchange at Gitaru, Loakabete, Wagige, Kihara, Denderu, Rumenyi, and Ruaka. But it was redesigned and annexed to Ruaka and Denderu interchange. This is due to the lengthy process and high cost of land acquisition, and also relocation of the power line. This Western Bypass had also features, and the features of the project according to Kenha was 1, a 4-lane dual carriageway with a total length of 15.3 kilometer and 17.3 kilometer service road. The second was interchange at Loakabete, Rumenyi, Kihara, and Wagige. The third one was noise control barrier to enhance environmental compatibility highway. The fourth was paved paved deviation along the construction route to ensure smooth traffic flow while reducing environmental hazards such as dust. The fifth feature was traffic bridges and pedestrian underpasses on the entire length. The sixth was a steel pedestrian barrier to ensure no pedestrian crossing occur at an unauthorized area. The seventh was a bus park at Wangige to enhance public transport efficiency while ensuring that traffic congestion is really minimized. The final feature was to separate footpaths and cycle track as a safety feature to ensure no conflict of motorized traffic and also the road users. And that is it for the project. And just have a look at the raw project and make sure you watch this video and many other videos that I have produced before. And by the way, if you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Also, let me know where you are watching this video from.